You're listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.
Samsung just put 800 billion won behind two new corporate venture funds targeting semiconductor and device experience startups. That's roughly 495 billion won for chip-related bets and 297 billion won for device and AI ventures. Meanwhile, two Korean AI companies just landed government contracts to build tools for small merchants. And Cloudflare's 30+% growth shows exactly where global investors are pointing their agent economy bets. It's Friday, July 31st. Let's look at what this means for startups and entrepreneurs in Korea. Samsung Venture Investment is forming two new technology investment associations, SVIC 82 and SVIC 83, to back semiconductor and device experience startups over the next 10 to 13 years. The move comes as AI reshapes competitive dynamics across chips, devices, and software. Separately, Seoul's Small Business Support Agency is pushing AI vendors like Upstage and WRTN to build tools that help small merchants navigate the same AI shift. Here's what the numbers show. Samsung Electronics DS division committed 495 billion won, about $359 million, to SVIC 82, a fund targeting domestic and overseas semiconductor startups. The DX division separately committed 297 billion won, about $215 million, to SVIC 83, aimed at device experience and future technology startups. Both funds launch next month and run for 10 to 13 years, with capital deployed deal by deal as opportunities arise. Upstage won a state contract to build an AI service unifying scattered small business support data, covering roughly 400,000 to 950,000 annual consultation cases once one-off credit programs are included. WRTN Technologies separately secured a contract to train over 1,000 small merchants on generative AI tools for marketing and operations. Cloudflare posted 30+% growth since 2025 on its Workers platform, whose active developer base grew from 4.5 million to over 5.5 million in a single year. So what does this mean for startups and entrepreneurs in Korea? Earlier, we said Samsung is putting 800 billion won behind two new funds. Here's what that actually means for you. Chip and device experience startups now have a well-capitalized strategic investor actively hunting deals over the next decade. Don't expect an overnight funding wave, though. The money deploys deal by deal, not all at once. Watch for SVIC 82 and 83's first disclosed investments after next month's registration, and watch Cloudflare's August earnings, which will set the benchmark for what agent economy revenue actually looks like for AI infrastructure investors. That's today's AI PRISM. Founders. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI PRISM is a WAN-IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.